Okay, another aspect of a VLOOKUP function is you can use it to find for a minimum value and a maximum value. Okay, let's do this by an example. VLOOKUP. Now we want the minimum cells. We want to find the minimum cells. So we use another function inside VLOOKUP function, and we want the minimum of cells is on column E, and we want to look up something from E2 to E9427. Do not forget that our last utilized row is on 9427. That is why I always use 9427. So don't forget that. So our table array is still the same. It's E2 to E9427. That is our table array. Then what do we want to return? We want to return something also in column E. So like it's 1, and we use exact reference. Now we see our minimum cells 1,32, and we can also from here we use other functions to find for the corresponding customer who has this minimum cell. Okay, let us find for maximum cells. Similarly, if we look up, alright, let us just do this. This is simple. Alright, let's do this quickly. Now we define the maximum value of E2 to E9427. Our table array is still E to E9427, and we want something in the same column and using exact reference, and these are our maximum cells. So this is the beauty of a VLOOKUP function.